We have a story here tonight about a big breakup and some spectacular pictures that scientists worry show us a warming planet right before our very eyes. A huge chunk of ice, 6 times the island of Manhattan, has broken away from an ice shelf in Antarctica. The experts fear this breakaway is a sign of things to come. Our story as we look at our planet from NBC's George Lewis.
These pictures, shot earlier this month by the British Antarctic Survey, show the actual breakup. A huge hunk of ice 25 miles long by 1.5 miles wide, splitting off the Antarctic coast.
We know it's a sign that the area is getting warmer and that the ice is going to retreat back permanently, or at least for the long time future.
It's all happening in the Western Hemisphere, in a part of Antarctica known as the Wilkins Ice shelf that's warming at the rate of almost 1 degree Fahrenheit each decade.
We should learn lessons from what's going on down in the Antarctic today for what may happen in the rest of the world tomorrow.
Satellite photos show the whole shelf, about the size of Connecticut, hanging by a narrow thread of ice less than 4 miles wide. The shelf could be gone in a few years. Scientists are astounded at the size of the breakup, plus the fact that it's happening much sooner than they had anticipated. They say that eventually collapses like this will raise ocean levels around the planet, that there may not be much we can do to stop it.
The problem is that the acceleration in terms of sea level rise is something that's not easy to turn around, even if we do manage to solve this problem by reducing greenhouse gases.
Last year, reporter Mark Austin from our British partner Independent Television News was 100 miles north of the shelf when he observed this.
You can see some of these icebergs are melting. You can feel, there we are, there we are, that gives you an idea of what it's like.
Now, these new pictures serve as an ominous preview of things to come as the world keeps getting warmer. George Lewis, NBC News, Los Angeles.